Here we'll use KubeSpray for a single node Kubernetes setup can be used for any remote machine available via SSH. Phase one, let's create a Python virtual environment, activate it, get clone KubeSpray repository, change directory to it, and check out latest stable release tag. Pip install all dependencies mentioned in requirements.txt file. Here is our VM running. We see its address using IP command. Phase two will generate required Ansible fixtures to run the setup automation. Copy sample fixtures to inventory under a name for this cube setup. Declare IPs to the address we saw assigned to VM. This is a single node setup. For multi-node, this will be space-separated list of IPs. Now, running this inventory py command with IPs as parameters and config file environment variable configured generates required hosts.yaml file. Let's open generated hosts.yaml file and add Ansible SSH configurations. We'll customize some group vars in all.yaml, both tweak disable hostname server to true and provide upstream DNS server. So it uses Cloudflare DNS as upstream here. In kubectl.yaml, tweak cluster name to something you want. I'll also reduce event TTL duration to 30 minutes. Addons.yaml provides you a way to enable setup of Ceph, Argo CD, etc. as well. Currently, KubeSpray doesn't have support for NFung contract module in newer kernels required if using IPDS for kube proxy. I'll tweak the role here to add it. I'm raising a PR to get this merged. Link and details would be available in video description. Now, in phase 3, let's run Ansible playbook command to run cluster.yaml and finish setup. Once done, copy kubeconfig content from node to a file on your machine, so kubectl could use it. And now providing path to kubeconfig file as kubeconfig environment variable allows to run kubectl commands. That's it for now.